The Toronto Sheet Metal Contractors Association, the largest sheet metal local association in Ontario, represents close to 130 sheet metal contractors in the industrial, commercial, and institutional sectors of the construction industry in the Greater Toronto Area. Our association members offer the best in on-site expertise and top-quality workmanship at the heart of construction projects: heating, ventilating, and air conditioning, HVAC, architectural sheet metal, industrial sheet metal, custom manufacturing, siding and decking, testing and balancing of environmental systems, retrofit, and energy management and maintenance. When you hire a Toronto sheet metal contractor member, you acquire a workforce of seasoned journeymen and apprentices well versed on the most recent advances of the sheet metal trade. A talented, knowledgeable, and efficient work team that gets your job done on time using state-of-the-art technology and equipment that ensures quality work from beginning to end. The Toronto Sheet Metal Contractors Association maintains its position as the industry leader and voice for business management programs, local labor relations, legislative issues, safety programs, industry standards and development, and education and training. Architects, engineers, and builders recognize that working with Toronto Sheet Metal Association contractors is their assurance of rock-solid dependability and sound business practice with top-quality results. Toronto sheet metal contractors have been around for generations. Some companies proudly trace their history back to the time of Confederation. Over more than a century, we have amassed an impressive track record. Our contractors worked on such world-renowned architectural structures as the CN Tower and the Dome Stadium. Look around the city. If you see a major office tower, an entertainment complex, a university campus, a hospital, a temple dome or church spire, chances are one of our contractor members was involved in the construction. Through these projects, we have consistently collaborated within the range of construction trades and are just waiting to put our knowledge to work on your project. The most recent safety study conducted by the Ontario Construction Secretariat shows that organized sheet metal contractors outstrip the non-organized contractors by at least 2 to 1 in accident-free worksites. We pride ourselves on getting the job done, enforcing the highest workplace safety standards, which means possessing a thorough knowledge of the standards and practices dictated by the Ontario Occupational Health and Safety Act and adhering to them.
First thing you get when you walk into the training center is you get very friendly and professional staff. Our administrator, Tanya Gatan, is one of the best around, and she takes care of a lot of the apprentices and keeps them going. We have very knowledgeable instruction from our professional sheet metal workers who have been in the trade and worked in the industry for years. They're knowledgeable assets that they bring to the table on every day. Our focus is having no distractions in our training center. Our whole training center is made to accommodate just sheet metal industry. We work primarily in the industry and throughout all the different assets of the trade. Our industry has developed very high safety standards, so we work with the difference of elevations, and we have to accommodate in different positions and in different areas of the job sites. We have to be aware of all the safety standards that can come about on the job site. In our facility, throughout your schooling here, we do go over all our shop safety standards. We go through welding shop safety standards, hoisting and rigging safety standards, as well as day-to-day theory. As we go through our day-to-day instruction, we also bring in all the different aspects of safety in the trade as you're going along, working with our instructors who have worked in the industry and worked in the field and know all the differences of what could happen in the industry, all the different safety things which you may not discover from books. We look to the knowledge of the instructors and the training that they've received and the experience that they've had on the job site. Our facility, again, is also full of advanced state-of-the-art equipment that we use on a regular basis. We encourage students and apprentices to enjoy the facility that we have and work with the instructor's guidance throughout our training center. Apprenticeships out of the school, you have so much more to advance your sheet metal career. We have a lot to offer in the industry for anyone that's looking for different aspects of our trade.
Toronto Sheet Metal Contractor members are proud of their excellent track record in the field. We get the job done on time in the best way possible and within budget. How are we able to achieve this unbeatable standard of excellence? A highly skilled team who knows the job inside out from the ground up. We offer customers top qualified expertise, a service that non-organized workers are hard-pressed to match. Our performance is distinguished by 3 qualities: on time, on budget, superior workmanship. Toronto Sheet Metal Contractors have the ability to respond to manpower needs to meet the requirements of any job. The fact that our workforce is comprised of professionally trained, unionized journeymen means that we draw on a pool of the highest qualified sheet metal workers from Ontario and from across Canada when volume of work dictates. We are proud to claim that we are able to rise to the challenge of any job, regardless of its size or complexity.